Okay, let's go again. I'm wide open throttle now. Hello friends, welcome back. This video, finally I'm hitting the highways. So I think it's about time to test out the top speed today, because I'm also very curious about it. And in the comments, I can't remember what's the user's name. He's asking for the new top speed, which I am also curious. After downsizing the sprocket, I should have a new top speed. So yeah, but then we'll have to wait lah. We'll have to wait for no traffic first, and then only I'm gonna do the test, because now it's just not possible to do the test. The traffic seems to be freed up a little bit already, so let's see if we can hit top speed. Down 164. No, got car. Maybe another attempt. Okay, let's go again. 150, 157. No, there's no cut off yet. We'll try again. Let's go. Oh, I feel a lot of drag. Decat is not very suitable. There's a slight uphill. I'm wide open throttle now. It's losing speed. Oh no. It's an uphill. Okay. Come on. No, there's a lot of cars in the right lane. It's just not suitable. Shall I try again? They're moving aside now. Let's wait for a while. Okay, there's a slight downhill. A very slight downhill. Why can't I reach 170? Why? Is it that bad? I dropped only 2 teeth in the sprocket. Did I? Yeah lah, 45 to 43. Then I cannot hit 170. Did I hit 170 just now? I remember I tried with the stock sprocket before. The top speed was 174. That was the highest top speed I've tried. 172 was the cut-off point usually, and then the highest was 174. But now I couldn't even reach 170. What? Is it because of the drag that I have this jacket on? Because this jacket, this riding jacket has a hoodie on it, and I really feel the drag just now. But damn, really? That is very, very strange, because I was wide open throttle and it was a slight downhill as well. That is very strange. If you have any ideas, please let me know down in the comment section below. Man, this is bothering me so much. Oh my god. Should I change back to the stock sprocket? What? I'm so defeated. I thought I'll have a slightly higher top speed. Maybe 5 kilometers per hour is good enough. But no, top speed was the top speed was even lower. What is going on? I'm so defeated, guys. I'm so defeated. No. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this video here today. For today. Damn it. I really thought I was gonna have a slightly higher top speed. Oh my god, I'm so disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see cool photos, nice photos, follow me on my Instagram. The handle will be in the link in the description. The handle will be in the description below. Yeah. And I'm heading to Malacca, by the way, to do a little bit of a photo shoot of this bike. So yeah, I'll enjoy my ride thinking about the top speed. I have still a long way to go, so I'm just gonna be chilling. Oh, that's a gold wing. Singaporean gold wing. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Safe ride. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello. Wake up. Hello, KTM. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Please wake up. What the hell? Buy a KTM, they say. Hello.